You may have heard the phrase right to repair, but how exactly does it affect your tire business? We delve into this issue next. Newer vehicles on the road today are equipped with advanced technologies that enable real-time wireless transmission of data. This data, often called telematics, includes, but isn't limited to, driver behavior, GPS location, and car health, as well as maintenance and repair information. And right now, car manufacturers are not legally obligated by the U.S. government to make this data available to independent repair facilities and consumers. And that's where right to repair legislation comes in. The Motor Vehicle Owners' Right to Repair Act, referred to as Right to Repair, is a name for several related bills proposed in the U.S. Congress and some state legislatures. It would require car manufacturers to provide the same vehicle information to independent repair shops as they do for repair shops at car dealerships. A right to repair law was first considered at the federal level in 2001, but no provisions were adopted until the Massachusetts legislature enacted a right to repair bill in 2012. 2 years later, a variety of industry organizations and automakers signed an agreement that committed car makers to providing independent repair shops the same service information and tools they provide their franchise dealers. However, our industry's work isn't finished on this issue. The Massachusetts Right to Repair law and the agreement between the industry associations and OEMs excludes telematics data that's wirelessly transmitted from the vehicle to the manufacturer. In order for independent repair shops to service today's connected vehicles, we must have access to more information. I'm Maddie Winer, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studios at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.